With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that in the following sequence of reactions, identify the final product if cyclopentane is treated with Cl2H and H2. So it is cyclopentane, it is not cyclopentanes. So we can just cancel this C and this is cyclopentane. So first of all, the reaction of cyclopentane in the presence of chlorine and light. So what happens is when you do the chlorine and light, so homolytic cleavage of chlorine is going to happen. So I can write down chlorine can be written as Cl dot Cl, right? So in the presence of H2, homolytic cleavage, free radical formation is going to happen and we will get 2 Cl radicals. Once we get 2 Cl radicals, what happens is this 2 Cl radicals will, one of the Cl radical will attack the cyclopentane ring. So here we have the cyclopentane. So it attacks and this will take up this hydrogen which is present, right? Therefore, removal of HCl and here radical generation is going to happen. We got a cyclopentyl radical, right? Like this. Now in the next step, what happens is another Cl radical is present. So this Cl radical will attack on this position and it will become a molecule which will have structure like this. Now in the next step, because this radical and this radical can form a bond, and in the next step what will happen is due to the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide, so in the next step there will be removal of this OH will remove the hydrogen which is present adjacent to the chlorine atom, which will act as a base. So it is removing one hydrogen and here we are going to get a negative charge present, and that negative charge which is formed will shift over here. So basically the bond shifting and the Cl will be removed, right? So the molecule will have a structure now like this. So a double bond has been obtained. Now after this, what is going to happen is, if you see the reaction, we are treating this with ozone. So ozone means ozonolysis. And what do we do in ozonolysis? We just cleave this double bond and add oxygen and oxygen at the double bonds. So the final structure of the molecule is going to somewhat look like this. Here we will have a double bond of oxygen to this hydrogen is there connected. Then we have 2, 3, 4 and this double bond is like this. And if you count the carbon atoms, it should be 5 carbon atoms. So we can count it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because here also we had 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, right? So 5 carbon atoms we have successfully drawn. So if I draw the proper structure, or you can say this structure can be also written as CHO group, and I have CH2, right? So CH2 how many times? 1, 2 and 3 times. So CH2 3 times and again CHO. So what is the name of this molecule? This molecule is going to be, how many carbon atoms are there? 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have propane 1,5-dial, right? So let's check the answer. Pentane, sorry, it is 5 carbon, so it is a pentane 1,3-dial. So if you check the options which we have, the options are pentanal, so this is not correct. Then we have pentane 2-one, this is also not correct because we got aldehyde, right? So that is incorrect. Then we have pentane 3-one, this is also incorrect. We have pentane 1,3-dial, so this will be the correct answer. There is slight correction in the option. It should be 1,5-dial, because if you see the molecule which we got here at position number 1 and at position number 5, we have aldehydic group, right? So it is going to be 1,5-dial and not 1,3-dial. So the correct answer for this question would be pentane 1,5-dial. That is option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.